gathered here for the celebrated Republic Day. People take us everyone oath to defend our freedom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. My name is Alisa Suleiman Tambuli. I am a first standard. Respected teachers and my dear friends, today we are gathered here for the celebrated Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on the 26th January. On this day, all the state host and salute the national flag. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Divyani Vishnu Ekre. Respected teachers, my brothers and sisters, I talk about Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was first female Prime Minister of India. She was born in Allahabad. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
तुला वरती बारे शेख भांडणं
यानंतर इयत्ता 9वीच्या विद्यार्थिनी समूहगीत सादर करतायत. तू नव्या जगाची आशा, जय जय भारत देशा. सादर करतायत इयत्ता 9वीच्या विद्यार्थिनी.